Guys, do you know that VideoInu is giving unlimited Sora 2 video generations?
Wait, what?
Unlimited?
Oh my God!
Move, move, move!
This is insane!
Best day ever!
Hey, did you hear? VideoInu is giving unlimited Sora 2 video generations for a whole month!
They come to us with this Sora 2. A miracle, they say. But then they insult our intelligence.
They said the shard was lost to time.
Time can't hide what destiny demands.
If we take it, every power in the realm will come for us.
Then we face them together.
Ayo, crown still heavy, but the bars stay light. I rule from the palace to the curbside night. 9 decades deep and I'm still in my prime. Whole kingdom on beat when I step in time. Man can't chat about rains, I'm the rainfall. 1952 and I...
Everything you just saw was created entirely using Sora 2, and as you can see, the results are absolutely stunning. It's crazy how far AI video generation has come. Remember those days when AI videos used to look all glitchy and weird? Well, look at where we are now, and it's only getting better every single day. As you probably know, OpenAI recently unveiled Sora 2, and since then, it's been pure chaos on the internet. People are using it to make all kinds of creative and honestly hilarious videos. It's really making the internet fun again. But as amazing as it is, here's the truth. The Sora 2 app and website are currently available only in the United States and Canada, and you'll need invite codes to access them. And even if you manage to get in, you'll still face annoying watermarks and heavy censorship. And the chances of your video generation getting blocked or failing are very, very high on the platform, which means you can't truly unleash your creativity. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you a tool that's not heavily censored, lets you generate Sora 2 videos without any watermarks, and best of all, you can try it absolutely free without any generation failures. And here's the best part. For pro users, it's offering unlimited Sora 2 video generation for a whole month. Sounds awesome, right? Honestly, I don't think any other AI tool is giving away something like this right now. Plus, I'll be doing a giveaway where I'll give 10 free pro access codes of this tool, so make sure you watch till the end to find out how you can win one. I'll also show you exactly how to use this tool to unlock Sora 2's full potential without any restrictions or delays. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Alright, the tool we'll be using today is called VideoInu. I've been testing this platform for quite some time, generating videos using Sora 2, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. Now, this is one of those rare AI tools where you can simply enter a prompt and it can generate a video up to 30 minutes long. Yes, 30 minutes. That's absolutely wild. All you need to do is click on this option right here, enter your video topic, choose the style and duration, and that's it. VideoInu handles everything else for you. From drafting the scenes, to creating characters that fit, writing the script, generating visuals, and stitching it all together. It uses powerful video generators like Cdance Pro, Kling, Veo 3.1, and more. You should definitely give this feature a try. But for today, we'll be exploring the Sora 2 option, and brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because this is going to blow your mind. Now, to get started with Sora 2, just click on this option. It'll take you straight to this interface. As you can see, it's super simple and easy to use. You can generate both text to video and image to video right from here. Let's start with the text to video option. I'll go ahead and paste a sample prompt here, but before that, let me show you a quick tip to create better prompts every single time. For Sora 2, the way you structure your prompt is really important. So here's what I usually do. Open ChatGPT, paste your basic prompt there, and ask it to enhance the prompt for Sora 2 to get more professional, cinematic results. Once it's done, just copy the improved prompt and head back to VideoInu. Now, paste it right here, keep the aspect ratio as it is, and hit generate. And let me tell you, it doesn't take long at all. Within moments, your video will be ready, and here is the output. Wow, this is simply awesome, folks. What's impressive is how right the speed feels. The The way the car moves through the bends, the camera shake, the sense of motion, it all feels like you're actually racing. The sound of the engine roaring while shifting gears matches the visuals perfectly and adds so much intensity. From just text to this fully immersive racing experience with realistic speed, sound, and camera work, Sora 2 captured that racing game feel perfectly. This is the kind of footage that gets your heart pumping. Really solid work. Let's try one more. This time, let's generate a video of a celebrity. So I'll paste the prompt and simply hit generate. And here is the output.
Step on the rhythm, the monarch is back. I don't need a throne for the crown I pack. Years in the palace and I'm still on track. Got the whole block buzzing when the bass go clap. Roll with the scepter but I swing with a pen. History's written, I write it again.
Wow. As you can see, it has no problem generating a video of a celebrity. It looks so amazing and real. Here's what makes this hilarious and impressive. It commits to the bit completely. She's got the crown, the gold jacket, the microphone, and she's dropping bars in a club with a DJ and people dancing behind her. But forget the comedy for a second. The execution is actually really good. The club setting looks real, the lighting works, and the people in the background are moving naturally. Sora didn't just make a weird video. It made a weird video that actually looks good and works. That's the fun part about these tools. Like, you can throw the most random idea at it and it'll make it happen if you structure your prompt correctly. Let's try one more. This time, let's try to create a cinematic masterpiece. So I'll paste this prompt and then hit generate. And here's the output. This looks straight out of a Marvel or Avatar trailer. Floating islands, glowing crystals, and warriors with blazing swords. Pure epic fantasy. The mix of sweeping landscape, close-ups, and explosive action makes it feel truly cinematic. With its glowing colors and flawless flow, Sora 2 turned a simple prompt into something that belongs on the big screen. Absolutely incredible. Let's try one more. This time, let's generate an anime-style video. So in the prompt section, I'll paste this and then hit generate. And here's the output. Oh my god, folks, just look at this. It feels like a real anime show. Fire Sword versus Ice Sword, the classic battle, and Sora 2 absolutely nailed it. The hero's fiery aura, the white-haired warrior's blue energy, straight out of a shonen anime. The clashes, explosions, and dynamic camera work make it feel like a high-quality anime fight scene. Sora 2 totally understood the assignment. Amazing stuff. And now, let me show you how you can generate perfect image-to-video clips using Sora 2 on VideoInu. So first, let's go to the image to video option and upload your image. I've uploaded this image of a VR headset. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll paste the prompt and then hit generate. And here is the output.
It's like another world. Let's see where this takes us.
Okay, this one is crazy. I gave it just an image of someone wearing a VR headset, and look what it created. A full VR experience story. It starts with her putting on the headset, then it takes you inside what she's seeing, the blue grid tunnel, the futuristic city with glowing buildings and a purple sky. It's like a mini VR journey. But here's what's wild. It doesn't just show the VR world, it shows her inside it. She's standing in that futuristic city, looking around amazed, saying, "It's like another world." From one simple image of a person wearing a VR headset, it created a full sci-fi experience with multiple perspectives, dialogue, and a whole virtual world. And that's storytelling. Sora 2 took a static image and built an entire narrative around it. And this is next level image to video generation. So this is Sora 2 on VideoInu, ladies and gentlemen. No watermark, no waiting times, just pure high quality content. You can use it for free and generate your own videos. And if you want unlimited access, you can get a subscription and enjoy Sora 2 Unlimited Access till November 16th, 2025. The price is pretty reasonable too. And now, let me tell you about the giveaway. I'm giving away pro access of this tool to 10 of my subscribers. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, create a VideoInu account, and leave a comment on how you like VideoInu Sora 2 and if there is any room for improvements. I'll randomly choose 10 people, and if you win, then I'll reply to your comment and also announce the winners through a YouTube post. So make sure you subscribe. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.